Hi everybody, how are you? I'm fine. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make marble chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, this is a great way to celebrate Easter or a great way to celebrate any day. Marble chocolate chip cookies. It's easy. So what you need is flour. Can you say flour? Flour. Salt. Salt. Baking soda. Baking soda. Butter. Butter. Sugar. Sugar. Brown sugar. Brown sugar. Egg. 1 egg. Egg. And vanilla. Vanilla. Okay? It's really easy. Here we go. First thing, wash your hands. Everybody wash your hands. Make sure your hands are good and clean. Okay. Wash them. And then we dry them. Okay. Now we're going to take our flour and put it in the bowl. And we're going to take our salt, put it in the bowl. And our baking soda, put it in the bowl. Okay? So then we'll take a whisk and we're going to mix. Mix, 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 mix. What are you doing, Peter? I'm mixing. What are you doing, Peter? I'm mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Okay. That's easy. Now, let's take our butter and put it in a bowl. Woo! Let's take our sugar. Put it in the bowl. Let's put all in there. Okay? And brown sugar. Put it in the bowl. Oh, sugar, brown sugar, and butter all in the bowl. And we're going to take our whisk and we're going to mix. Mix, mix, mix. And it looks like this. Okay, now let's put our egg in the bowl. And let's put our vanilla in the bowl. Okay, one more time. Let's mix.
Mix, 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 mix. You can mix. What are you doing, Peter? I'm mixing. What are you making, Peter? I'm making marble chocolate chip cookies. Yay! Okay.
Once you have it mixed, let's put the flour into this bowl. Okay? Let's put half. And mix.
It looks like this. Mix. Now be careful. Don't spill the flour. Okay? And let's put the rest in.
Oh, I spilled. Can you say, I spilt? I spilt. Okay. And then, once you have it, it looks like this. Okay? The next thing to do
Is you have to get it off of the whisk. Okay?
Then we're going to take our marble chocolate and we're going to put that right in. Then we're going to take a spatula, and we're going to mix. I'm looking. I want more chocolate. So we have one more. Let's put them in. Okay. 2 marble chocolates. And we'll mix them up. Now, let's put our cookies on our cookie sheet. We're using cooking paper, so it's easy to clean up. Here's what we do. I'm going to take 2 spoons. I'm going to take a little cookie dough, just like this. Oh, doesn't that look good? I want to eat it. And I'm going to put that right on here. 1. You want to make them the same size. The same size. Just like that. 4 cookies. Let's put them in the oven and see what happens. Okay, our cookies have come out. This is what they look like. Whoa, those are big cookies, don't you think? We're going to put them here for just a second. Let them cool for a little bit.
Marble chocolate chip cookies. Okay, then let's take our cookies and put them on a rack.
Let's wait for them to be cool down, and then we're going to enjoy our cookies. So that's it. It's easy. It's fun. Marble chocolate chip cookies. Happy Easter, everybody. Have fun cooking. Take a cookie. Oh, that looks so good. Mmm.